How to start a YouTube channel 2021. Hi, I'm Titilola Sanusi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be leading you through the process on how you can start a YouTube channel. I believe having a YouTube channel is the journey to being in control of your life and time. When you're starting, you need to figure out your expertise and how you really want to make the best of it. You might be a full-time employee, but there is something you're passionate about which you can share with people on YouTube and make extra income. You might be a medical doctor, fashion designer, web developer, makeup artist, hairstylist, or a blogger just like me. Then you have the potential to show people all about your work and encourage others too. Business owners are also able to sell and promote their products and services on YouTube. So I'll be giving you some tips on how you can start your YouTube channel. But before we proceed, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on my new videos. Now let's get started with these tips. 1. Discover your niche or non-niche. Yes, you might have the passion or skill which is the most important to keep you going. But then you need to know if there are people on YouTube who are making content based on your niche, which I'm sure there are. Try to check out for these popular YouTubers to get hints on how you can start making videos. Check the comments on their videos to see people's opinions and you can get to know why these people like their videos. I'm not saying you have to copy them, but just for you to get ideas, improve and make unique content. And in case you don't have a niche, then get to know yourself and find out your capability, or ask people around you on what they feel is cool and special about you. From that, you get the idea on what to do. I have a video here on my YouTube channel on niche ideas, so check that out. 2. Set up your YouTube channel. The next thing you have to do is set up your YouTube channel using your Gmail account. I'll be sharing this with you in my video on how you can make a YouTube channel. In this case, you need to make your channel look impressive and well optimized. 3. Keyword research. Keyword research is a way of finding words and phrases that people use to search for video content online. YouTube is the second most popular search engine in the world and definitely the most popular video website, so let most of your keyword research for videos focus on YouTube search. You may be wondering, what are keywords? Keywords are words and phrases that describe the topics you talk about. YouTube really focuses on keywords, so you should not underestimate the power of these keywords. Look out for channels in your niche that are performing great, sort their videos by most popular to get ideas on what audience your niche are searching for. Here you can focus on this kind of keywords and make unique video titles. You need 20 keywords to get started. Now it's time to concentrate more on your keyword research. Confirm these keywords by making use of the YouTube or Google search bar. Those words that come up are keywords. Then get these 20 keywords, script your ideas on the keyword and start planning your first 20 videos. With time, your subscribers will give ideas on what kind of video they like to see, and you can discover more ideas on your own as time goes by. 4. Filming gadgets. Now you can start searching for filming gadgets based on your budget. It's not necessary you start with the most expensive gadget. You have your phone to start with or PC's webcam for recording. Thinking about this may affect your flow, but you should not give up on yourself and never consider yourself to be a failure. Stay humble and start with what you have. If you're enjoying these tips up to this moment, kindly subscribe, like this video and answer yes in the comment section below. 5. Quality content. you must make sure you have quality content. Imagine yourself watching your video and trying to figure out if it really solves people's problem. Will it compel them to subscribe? If you can answer this question confidently, then you're on the right track. Now, get to work. Edit your videos perfectly with any editing software you're convenient with and start uploading. 6. Relate with channels across your niche. You should participate in other people's channels across your niche by writing comments on their videos, answering questions, and giving suggestions. This will expose your channel and give you more subscribers and as well views, especially when you have lots of thumbs up on your comments. Never make the mistake of writing sub for sub. This is considered spam and is against the YouTube community guidelines. As you relate across your niche, you are learning and also improving yourself. And you can even learn through YouTube Creators Academy. They are great videos that will help you a lot. 7. Create awareness on social media. It may be difficult to get engagement when starting. Everyone has to go through this phase, but shouldn't be discouraged and keep moving. You have family and friends on different social media. You should take advantage of this. Let them know you have a YouTube channel and encourage them to support you by subscribing and sharing your videos. Create social account for your brand or YouTube channel to build audience and promote your content. 8. Time and consistency. When you're starting a YouTube channel, you should be ready to give it time and attention. Being consistent with uploading of videos will help grow your audience fast. You must be sure you can leave enough time to record, edit, promote, and improve your content on YouTube. You sure want to earn a lot from this channel, but you should focus on having the desire to showcase your product, talent, or skill for free. This will help a lot, and you can patiently wait for your reward to come. 9. Call to action. Make sure to always tell your viewers to subscribe to your channel, just like I did earlier in this video. Although some people will subscribe without you saying it, but this might be a good reminder for your prospective subscribers. So, thanks for watching my video and all the best as you start your YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Bye. See you in my next video.